In this video, I'm going to show you how to summarize a YouTube video with Perplexity. So first you want to open up perplexity AI. I'll have a link in the description. Then you want to find the YouTube video that you want to summarize, and then go ahead and copy the URL. Now in the chat box here, we want to say, can you summarize this YouTube video? And then paste the URL. It's going to tell you that you can't actually summarize the video because it doesn't have the capability to watch and analyze video content, but there's actually a way we can get around this. So if you come back to the YouTube video, you go to the description, you want to click on the button that says show transcript. This is going to show you the transcript of the video, and what we want to do is actually copy all the text in the transcript, then come back to Perplexity and say, can you summarize this YouTube video? Here is the transcript. And then now we just paste that transcript that we just got. Go ahead and hit enter. And now you can see that it's actually giving us a summary of the video. The video is about how to clean a shower curtain. We can see that it's giving us cleaning methods to clean the shower curtain as listed out in the video. So that is how you can get Perplexity to summarize a YouTube video for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.